Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and exploring some of the top trending Hugging Face AI projects that are making waves in the creative community. From breathing life into old photos, to generating epic, cinematic visuals, these projects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Project number 1: OminiControl, the Universal Control Framework for Diffusion Transformers. OminiControl is a revolutionary new tool for anyone working with AI image generation, specifically using diffusion transformer models like Flux. What sets OminiControl apart is its ability to provide a universal control framework, allowing users to manipulate and guide the image generation process with a variety of control signals. This means you're not limited to just text prompts. You can use things like sketches, depth maps, and even in painting masks to shape your final image. Imagine being able to give the AI a rough sketch and having it generate a photorealistic image based on your lines, or using a depth map to control the 3D perspective of your creations. This level of control opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creative image manipulation and design. OminiControl achieves this versatility through a minimal design, adding only a few extra parameters to the base diffusion transformer model. This makes it incredibly efficient, both for training and running the model. Whether you're a seasoned AI developer or just starting to explore image generation, OminiControl's flexibility and ease of use make it a powerful tool for realizing your creative vision. It supports a wide range of control signals, making it adaptable to various image generation tasks, and it's designed to be easily integrated into new projects and applications. This means you can spend less time wrestling with the technical details and more time creating stunning visuals. Project number 2: TangoFlux, the next-gen text-to-audio powerhouse. TangoFlux is an innovative text-to-audio generation model that is pushing the boundaries of audio synthesis. What sets TangoFlux apart is its combination of innovative techniques that enable it to produce high-quality, natural-sounding audio with exceptional speed and fidelity. One of the key innovations behind TangoFlux is its use of flux transformer blocks, specifically diffusion transformer, DIT, and multimodal diffusion transformer, MMDT. These architectures are designed for efficient and effective processing of sequential data like audio, enabling fast generation times. It also incorporates a flow matching technique, which helps guide the generation process toward high-quality audio samples more efficiently by learning the optimal trajectory in the latent space of the audio data. But what really makes TangoFlux unique is its use of clap-ranked preference optimization. This novel technique allows the model to be trained more effectively by learning from human preferences. For example, users can clap to indicate their preference for certain generated audio samples, providing valuable feedback to the model during training. This results in more natural sounding and engaging audio output. TangoFlux can be used for a wide range of applications, including text-to-speech, voice cloning, and creative audio generation. Whether you're creating podcasts, audiobooks, or even music, TangoFlux has the potential to revolutionize how we create and interact with audio content. Project number 3: AI Video Composer. Create videos with words. The AI Video Composer project on Hugging Face is revolutionizing how we create videos. What makes this tool truly unique is its ability to generate entire videos using just your words. Imagine typing in "a cat chases a butterfly through a field of flowers," and watching as the AI brings your description to life on screen. This is possible thanks to the tool's use of advanced AI models, likely involving diffusion models, motion capture, and video synthesis, to transform text descriptions into visual content. But it gets even better. You can provide your own images, video clips, and audio to be integrated into the final product. Want to create a music video featuring your friends dancing with custom special effects? Just upload the clips and music and let the AI Video Composer work its magic. This multimodal input system allows for incredible creative flexibility. The project aims to empower users, regardless of their video editing skills, to create unique and personalized videos. The AI Video Composer is not just about making video creation easier, it's about democratizing it. This tool opens up a world of possibilities for filmmakers, educators, and anyone who wants to tell their story visually. By combining the power of AI with an intuitive interface, the AI Video Composer project has the potential to revolutionize video creation and empower a new generation of storytellers. Project number 4: X Portrait, breathing life into static portraits. The X-Portrait project on Hugging Face is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with portrait animation. What makes this tool unique is its ability to generate highly expressive and realistic animations from static portrait images. Imagine taking an old family photo and bringing it to life with smiles, frowns, and even subtle eye movements. This is possible thanks to X-Portrait's innovative use of diffusion models and hierarchical motion attention. Diffusion models, a powerful type of AI for image generation and manipulation, are at the heart of X-Portrait. The tool likely uses a driving video as input to control the animation. This driving video could contain facial expressions and head movements, which are then transferred to the portrait. But the real magic lies in the hierarchical motion attention. This mechanism allows the AI to focus on different levels of detail in the driving video, from broad head movements to the subtle twitch of an eyebrow, and apply them to the portrait with incredible precision. The result is a level of realism and expressiveness rarely seen in portrait animation. X-Portrait could revolutionize how we interact with old photos, create animated avatars for games or virtual reality, and even enhance video conferencing. This project demonstrates the power of AI to bridge the gap between still images and moving images, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Project number 5, CineDiffusion, your AI filmmaker for stunning widescreen visuals. CineDiffusion, a cutting-edge text-to-image model found on Hugging Face, is revolutionizing the way we create visual content for movies, television, and beyond. What sets CineDiffusion apart is its ability to generate images at incredibly high resolutions, specifically designed for widescreen aspect ratios like 16:9 and 21:9. This means you can produce stunning visuals with exceptional detail and a cinematic quality that rivals professional productions. Imagine creating breathtaking landscapes, epic battle scenes, or captivating character portraits, all with the push of a button. This tool achieves this feat by leveraging the power of diffusion models, a sophisticated AI technology known for its ability to create incredibly realistic images. CineDiffusion is likely trained on a vast dataset of high-resolution, cinematic images, allowing it to learn the intricacies of depth of field, lighting, and composition. This means you're not just getting bigger images, you're getting images that capture the visual impact and artistry of professional filmmaking. And the best part is that CineDiffusion puts you in the director's chair. Simply provide detailed text prompts describing the scene, style, and cinematic elements you desire. The AI then transforms your words into stunning, widescreen visuals ready to captivate your audience. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, an aspiring game developer, or a social media enthusiast, CineDiffusion empowers you to create professional quality, visually captivating images with ease. Project number 6, Logo in Context. Effortlessly integrate logos into any scene. The Logo in Context project on Hugging Face offers a revolutionary approach to branding and visual content creation. What makes this tool truly unique is its ability to seamlessly integrate logos into a wide variety of images, regardless of the scene or complexity. Imagine placing your company logo onto a bustling city street, a serene nature landscape, or even a product in a lifestyle shot, all with remarkable realism. This is made possible through a clever combination of in-context learning, ICL, low-rank adaptation, LoRA, and advanced image manipulation techniques. ICL allows the model to learn from examples you provide. Show it a few images of the logo successfully integrated into similar scenes, and it will quickly grasp the desired style and placement. LoRA further enhances efficiency by fine-tuning a smaller subset of the AI model, making the process faster without sacrificing accuracy. Finally, image-to-image translation and in-painting techniques are employed to ensure the logo blends seamlessly into the target image, creating a natural and visually appealing result. The Logo in Context tool democratizes logo integration, empowering businesses, marketers, and content creators of all skill levels to produce professional quality visuals. Its versatility, efficiency, and flexibility make it an invaluable asset for branding, advertising, and creative content generation. So, whether you're launching a new product, designing marketing materials, or simply adding a touch of branding to your social media posts, the Logo in Context project offers an innovative and user-friendly solution. Project number 7, Framer. Interactive frame interpolation for smooth and realistic motion. The Framer project on Hugging Face is changing the game when it comes to creating smooth and realistic motion between two images. What makes Framer unique is its interactive control, giving users the power to directly influence the interpolation process. This means you're not just stuck with a basic transition between two images, but you can guide the movement of specific objects or features, resulting in far more natural and compelling animations. Imagine you have two images, one of a person with their arm down and another with their arm raised. With traditional frame interpolation, you might get a jerky or unnatural motion between those poses. But with Framer, you could use keypoint manipulation to define the points on the arm in each image, and the AI would then generate intermediate frames that smoothly follow the arm's trajectory. You can even control the trajectory of the movement, ensuring it follows a natural arc. The project likely uses advanced motion estimation techniques like optical flow or feature tracking to analyze the differences between images and synthesize new frames. This level of control opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're creating image animations, manipulating videos, or designing special effects, Framer empowers you to achieve a level of realism previously unattainable. It's like having a professional animator at your fingertips. That's it for this week's roundup of trending Hugging Face AI projects. Which one of these incredible tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting AI content. See you next time.